Some people say that public libraries are important and should be free, others say they are just a waste of money. Discuss both views and give your opinion.
Sample answer 1. Public libraries have long been regarded as bastions of knowledge and culture, serving communities by providing access to information and resources. While some argue for their importance and advocate for free access, others contend that they represent a financial burden. This essay will explore both perspectives before offering a balanced opinion. On one hand, proponents of public libraries emphasize their crucial role in promoting literacy, education, and community engagement. These institutions offer a wide array of resources, including books, periodicals, digital media, and educational programs, all of which contribute to intellectual growth and lifelong learning. Moreover, public libraries serve as inclusive spaces, welcoming individuals from diverse socioeconomic backgrounds who may not have access to such resources elsewhere. By providing free or low-cost services, libraries foster a culture of accessibility and equality, enabling everyone to pursue their educational and intellectual interests regardless of financial means. Conversely, critics argue that public libraries are outdated and unnecessary in the digital age, where information is readily available online. They contend that taxpayer money could be better allocated to more pressing needs such as healthcare, infrastructure, or public safety. Additionally, some question the efficiency of library services, pointing to declining visitor numbers and low usage rates of certain resources. From this perspective, public libraries represent a drain on public funds, diverting resources away from more essential services. However, such criticisms overlook the multifaceted benefits that public libraries provide to society. While it's true that the internet has transformed the way people access information, public libraries continue to play a vital role in bridging the digital divide. Not everyone has reliable internet access or the necessary technology skills to navigate online resources effectively. For these individuals, public libraries serve as invaluable hubs of connectivity, offering internet access, computer terminals, and assistance from trained staff. Furthermore, libraries serve as community hubs, hosting events, workshops, and educational programs that foster social cohesion and civic engagement. In conclusion, public libraries are far from being obsolete, rather, they remain indispensable institutions that enrich communities and promote intellectual growth. While concerns about cost-effectiveness are valid, the societal benefits of public libraries far outweigh their financial implications. Therefore, I firmly believe that public libraries should not only be preserved but also supported with adequate funding to ensure their continued accessibility and relevance in the digital age.
Sample answer 2. Public libraries have long been cornerstones of communities, offering a wealth of knowledge and resources for all. However, the rise of the internet has sparked debate about their continued relevance. While some see them as outdated relics, others recognize their enduring value. This essay will explore both sides of this argument before advocating for the continued support of free public libraries. Those who view libraries as obsolete point to the vast amount of information readily available online. With a few clicks, individuals can access countless books, articles, and multimedia resources, seemingly rendering physical libraries unnecessary. Additionally, the cost of maintaining libraries, from staffing to upkeep, appears a burden in the face of readily available free digital alternatives. However, dismissing libraries as outdated overlooks their multifaceted role in society. Firstly, libraries provide free and equal access to information, a critical aspect of a functioning democracy. Not everyone has reliable internet access, or the digital literacy to navigate the online information landscape. Libraries bridge this gap, ensuring everyone has the opportunity to learn and explore. Secondly, libraries offer far more than books. They are community hubs that host educational programs, job training workshops, and cultural events. They provide a safe and welcoming space for people of all ages and backgrounds to gather, study, or simply relax. This fosters social interaction and a sense of community, something the digital world often struggles to replicate. Furthermore, the internet can be a minefield of misinformation and biased content. Librarians are trained information professionals who can guide patrons towards reliable sources and help them develop critical thinking skills. This role is becoming increasingly important in our information-saturated age. In conclusion, while the Internet offers undeniable convenience, it cannot replace the unique and vital role public libraries play in society. They are essential for ensuring equal access to information, fostering a sense of community, and providing a platform for lifelong learning. Investing in and maintaining free public libraries is not a waste of money. It's an investment in an informed, engaged, and connected citizenry.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.